This workshop is for practitioners that are interested in starting a career as a Scrum Master, existing Scrum Masters, agile coaches and consultants trying to improve their use of Scrum. The Professional Scrum Master is an engaging, enjoyable learning experience where students gain a deep understanding of Scrum theory and principles, Scrum Master accountabilities, and why each element of the Scrum framework is important. Our training is delivered as an interactive, activity-based course over half-day sessions using Microsoft Teams and Mural. Between sessions, we provide additional reading, writing and watching activities to maximise the learning opportunities and complement the classroom experience. After the conclusion of the class, we provide access to a community of peers and continued access to the trainer through office hours, quarterly catch-ups and constant engagement. To maximise validated learning, all students are provided with a password to take the PSM 1 assessment, and if they take it within 14 days and are unsuccessful, they will be granted a second attempt.